Welcome back, guys, to another hidden motorsports adventure.
On today's episode of Wrenches and Drag,
you can do it, put your back into it.
It's a pretty long rod.
Sometimes my own genius. It's almost frightening. No, stop.
Happy birthday to you.
You guys are the worst. You know that? We left Stafford. We're heading home. We are just past New York, or Ithaca, New York. Where are we?
somewhere in this garbage state of New York.
Yes, the wonderful state of New York. Steve's driving, and all of a sudden we all started feeling like a heavy shake. I look out the passenger window because I'm editing videos. I see the tire flopping, and I'm like, oh, we got a flat tire. Let's pull over and change it. I get out, and I want to start crying. So, there are no studs. These are our studs. They were lodged in the wheel. I guess centrifugal force kept them in here. The ones still on here are loose. Like, what is that? What? Just look at it. If a truck and trailer weighing what do we totally weigh? 25,000 pounds? Probably. If the two tires come off while we're doing 75 miles per hour, what happens?
Good things.
Good things?
We just float along, right?
Who knows what could happen? 'Cause when we noticed that we were in the left lane, we could have definitely had someone watching over us for this. What's the plan?
Klaus, auto parts store, side of the road work.
But here's the issue. Klaus has got a full tank of 15 gallons, and then we have 1.5. We're on methanol.
Yeah, I already calculated that.
So how many miles do we get?
There's an O'Reilly's 9 miles away, and there's a few advances within probably about 5 to 7 miles. So
there's E85. We can take the laptop, swap it. I can change the tune, and we can get back then if we get there.
we're traveling halfway across the country. It's bound to happen at some time. So here we are.
Studs? I expect flats.
Well, in theory, no, you shouldn't blow 5 of your 8 studs off on the way home.
Yes, 5 of the 8. There's 4 right here. I kind of want to walk back a little bit. Maybe we'll find the 5th one.
Are you gonna keep it as a trophy?
Yes, those are going to go on my desk.
Put them on the broken part shelf?
And we were just bragging how Klaus did great. Not a single thing broke. It's been a perfect trip. Let's open up the trailer, set up some cones, because as you can see, it's like rush hour traffic in New York, and I don't really want to get hit by a car.
But it's Sunday. What are we rushing to?
That is true.
Go home. Leave us alone.
Why is there so much traffic? Okay, so we get the jack out of the trailer, and we just jacked up the truck and confirmed all studs are loose. Every single last one of them. So now we're on the phone with parts stores that might have studs, so we can pull it off. We'd have to pull off the brake rotor, get that off, take it with us, because on dualies, the brake rotor, stubs, hub assemblies, all in one. Bearings are inside of it. It's a project. Yeah. So, yeah, I guess that's a plan. I got something to do. All right, cool. Let's keep going. Hand tight. These boys are sheared good. actually fully taken apart. Dually wheels. So this will be fun. Okay.
Jesus. Nope, pop right off.
Try the bottom one first. You're already loose.
Yeah. Tell me about it, Daddy.
Yeah. Welcome to the Hidden Motorsports Mechanic Channel.
Earmuffs.
Teach you to do things and stuff on the side of the road.
On today's episode of Wrenches and Drag.
It's a pretty long rod.
Chris did a thing.
All right,
I do things.
can you detach that hub, or do you have to take it with you?
I think you flip it over and that's
There's 8 bolts on the backside that hold it all together.
Idea. Hold up, idea. Ideas. Because there's still studs in it, right? Bring it over here. Put it in the fire. Yeah. Look at me. My brain power doing things.
Look at the big brain on Brad.
Sometimes my own genius. It's almost frightening.
Sometimes it's surprising that you have genius. Is that what you say?
Now the tire will help. Look at that! Oh!
I don't think I've ever seen you so excited.
Use your brain, kids, so you don't have to work hard. Stay in school. Don't ever get interested in cars, ever. Well, now that we got the hub off, the trucking company, whatever, can't get to us. No one can do anything. Except we have a cup. Klaus is out. We got fuel. We got a laptop. We got the hub. Yeah. Yes, we do. Ah, I just smashed my head on the cage. I just don't know where we're going. There's a lot of traffic.
It's gonna be real hard getting out of here. How's that foot feeling?
My leg is cramping. How do we hit rush hour traffic at 4 o'clock on a Sunday?
I don't know.
But clutching in and out is not feeling good. You know what? We are out here in Mexico right now, avoiding traffic jams. That's usually how it goes. All right. You. In Motorsports mobile service.
You're on the road experts.
Absolutely. Don't ever call us and ask us if we'll do this. Ever. How's that going? Hey, it's going. Hey! I got it. You really thought you were going to go a whole cleetus event without having to work on a vehicle. Joke's on us.
I always knew this day was coming. We'd be broke down on the side of the road in the middle of freaking nowhere. Even though it's not nowhere, but...
But you know what the other side of this is? If we didn't know how to do this, we'd be paying a couple $1,000 for a tow.
Yeah.
Go for it, bro.
What the fuck do you have going on? That's awesome.
It's just a BMW. We lowered it and put new wheels on it. Other than
Yeah.
that, it's basically stock.
Yeah, it looks good.
Those are studs. Hammered in. New ones. How'd that feel? A little bit of hammering.
My hand is dead. My arm is dead. I'm dead.
We almost were dead.
We almost were dead.
It's just one of those things where you almost die and you start laughing. Like how close you were.
All you can do is laugh and thank God.
That is for sure. So the side quest was this. We're doing another side quest after this. We're getting Steve a birthday cake or ice cream or cupcake or something.
Well, it won't be ice cream, so they melted by the time we get back.
That is true. Let's load all this up. All right, we're off on a side quest within a side quest within a side quest right now. It's Walmart. I haven't been in a Walmart since '9. Yeah, over there. It's a bakery. Yeah, bakery. Cakes. Vanilla celebration. This looks great. How old does Steve want to be today? Oh, he's getting rainbow candles. He sure is. And a unicorn.
How's it going, boss?
Good.
Waiting for somebody?
Maybe you?
Is that written on there?
Yeah, could you write Happy Birthday Steve on there?
Sure.
Yeah, my man.
Just get some gloves.
Oh, good. I don't need gloves. My hands are covered in grease. You know how it goes.
Still, I still gotta do it for the cameras.
Do it for the cameras.
Yep.
Don't we all?
I know, why weren't you wearing gloves? I don't know, why are there hundreds of flies behind you?
Exactly.
Keep wanting to complain about this being a fresh area, but yet we have at least 3 dozen flies up in the front, at least 4 in the back.
You'll have those on these big jobs.
Yeah. No lap lamps. Particular color you wanted?
Let's do pink.
Very
So,
masculine color.
yeah, it'll go good with his rainbow candles and unicorn.
Oh boy. There you go.
I appreciate you so much, man.
Yeah, no problem.
We'll see ya.
Have a good one.
You too. I love it. Yeah. Side quest completed. Chris, 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 Chris.
What?
Side quest completed. Check that out. Did you look at the candles?
No.
Rainbows and unicorns.
That'll do.
Yeah.
way it's probably bad.
I just feel bad this is your birthday. So
No, stop.
happy birthday to you.
You guys are the worst.
Birthday
You know that?
to you.
No, we're not really bad.
Happy birthday, dear Steve. Happy birthday to you.
So did you guys plan the shearing of the bolts too?
Absolutely.
It
Okay.
was all the ploy.
Man,
Oh, it went
is
out.
my wife around? Am I getting
Pop out of
punked?
the wood.
Am I getting punked? Thanks, guys. I can't wait to have diabetes after eating this. But
I figured it was the perfect cake for you.
all right, yes. I mean, I am a little unicorn
The
princess.
rainbow
yes.
candles and the unicorn included is
Literally,
So beautiful.
the only way to make this better is if you guys had a Subaru on here. Love it.
Love
Yes.
you, brother.
Thank you.
Everything in Loctite, torque down. We got power tools again.
got some fresh bowies.
Yeah. Got one charger and one in the gun. Yeah, get them torqued down. Wow. Man, all right, so viewers, you didn't see the semi-truck that almost hit Carl and hit the truck, but the gust knocked my cake over. Oh my God.
Okay.
Got second wheel on, now we're gonna torque it. And we're driving 25 miles and torquing again.
Yep.
Pull the jack stands.
You gotta pull the jack stands out.
Yeah, I can.
Look at this. High five, team. Hi, great success. Great success,
nice.
everybody. Very nice.
We're not dead.
Birthday cake went there. Rip It went there. Chris went there. He did the majority of the work. I mean,
All of it.
I torqued it, so I guess now it.
So you did like 50%
Yeah.
in your eyes.
Basically, management is a big part of what we do. around
Yes,
here.
but see, the viewers are going to understand that since I recorded it, I actually did 50% of the job. Big brain, big
It's his
brain.
birthday, just let him. I hope you liked today's side quest adventure. That is how you change your wheel studs on the side of the road on your 3500 dually.
On your birthday.
On your birthday.
Yes, make sure to note that.
And Klaus, I freaking love that car. We just did 60 or 70 miles round trip on methanol after doing burnouts and beating the living crap out of the car. Oh, we forget. Let's see if anything else is loose.
Double check one more time and let's get
The
out of
wind
here.
moving the cover made it look like it was loose.
Better double check.
All right, well,
Well, let's get home.
Next stop's in 5 miles, so we need to stop in 5 miles and double check torque.
It said 25 miles.
I don't care what it says. We're checking in 5
All right.
miles.
5 miles.
We'll see you on the next one.
Back on the road.
Balzer out.